Are you an IB or IGCSE student in Dubai, seeking academic excellence?
Look no further than IB Scholars, your one-stop destination for result-driven IB and IGCSE tutoring. At IB Scholars, we understand the challenges of mastering multiple subjects. That's why our team of expert tutors cover the core subjects from math, physics, chemistry, biology, economics, and everything in between. With our tutors' deep subject knowledge and extensive experience, you can be confident that you're receiving top-notch guidance tailored to your individual curriculum needs.
The teachers have taught me how to structure questions, and in math I've went from a 3 to a 5 as well.
My work has grown exponentially better. I started at a 3 at the start of DP1 and now I'm at a level 7.
Thanks to IB Scholars.
All thanks to the help of IB Scholars.
IB and IGCSE students
Excel in your grades, learn from the best tutors, and strengthen your understanding. Call us now for result-driven IB and IGCSE tutoring support.